Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm rocking gothic chic because that's how I feel today. Today is a Feel Unique pick and mix. This month, unfortunately, my postman decided he wanted to ram it into the letterbox, and luckily none of the items are damaged, but as you can see from the box, it's pretty damaged. I have complained to Royal Mail, but yeah, sorry to start on a negative. So if you don't know what Feel Unique is, it's a monthly subscription which you can choose. You don't have to have every month, and you pick 5 samples for $3.95, and they have everything on there from makeup, skincare, vitamins, all sorts. I'll leave the link down below where you can get it. And I don't do it every month, like it doesn't come out my bank. It's not one of the monthly rolling ones where it does come out your bank. You just do whenever you want. And I always really love it because sometimes there's good stuff in there and sometimes there isn't anything in there. So this time I actually waited longer because I wanted to have a look. I'm just not going to get it but the $3.95, you get a coupon, you can use it against the next purchase, which is really good. So technically they're free. Now, I have had to look in this because I wanted to know whether anything was damaged. But this is normally full of air. So yeah, postman popped it, but luckily we're okay. Everything is in here, nothing is damaged. So let's just do it, shall we? So the first item is, we'll go with this because I did get a mixture of stuff this month. It's the Paul Mitchell Original, the Conditioner Leave-In Moisture Treatment. And it's a little sachet. Doesn't say how much it is. Oh, there you go, 7.4 mil. So I reckon I can get 3 uses out of that. I do like Paul Mitchell products. And that's what that looks like. This month's a bit of a weird one for me. I didn't really know what to get. There wasn't anything that was hugely standing out, but I wanted to get something because I haven't for a while. So the next item is, we have the Benefit Professional Pore Minimizing Correcting Makeup. And I got this in one because I'm normally Ivy. And it says it's got 8 hours pore minimizing makeup, long wear finish, buildable coverage. And it is a card, which is very unfortunate. Oh, that's so cute. So it says how to use: gently squeeze the packet, small amount on the pore minimizing makeup onto the sponge. It comes with a little sponge. That is so cute, guys. And there's the thing. So that is quite full. I mean, I would say I could get 1 really full coverage out of that, or 2 my skin look better. That's so good. And that's a cute little sponge as well. So that isn't too bad actually, even though that is only 0.3 ml, but it's really cute. The next one is a Quarterly Vino Sauce Serum. SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. That is definitely what my skin needs right now. I use that spray on thermal water and it's just sucking it up. It's so thirsty at the moment, even though I drink lots and lots. But I've had a few of the Quarterly serums before. I normally get them in like a tube form, which this said it was, I think. And I love the pink one, which I'll put a picture somewhere. I absolutely love their serums. I love Quarterly anyway. It's French, which is cool. This is a 1 ml, and this is just a serum. I could get a week out of that maybe. Really, really good. Let's go for this one. Okay, so we've got the Gucci Bloom Equat de Fleury, and it's the Gucci Bloom's newest version. I love the original Gucci Bloom. I think it smells delicious. The bottle's super cute. I have used it up, but I love the little bottle. It's so cute. But this is a little spray one, which is handy, and it is all green and butterflies, and it's really cute. It's a little spray bottle, and that's what the packaging looks like. You know, I've got loads of these actually, and they do last a really long time for me. Oh, naughty, naughty. Okay, so that's not actually full. And I haven't sprayed any of it either. But, you know, I'll spray a little bit now. I hope I like it. So I've just had a shower. Okay, I'll just let that one marinate. Oh, that's really fresh. Okay, so it's not like the original Gucci Bloom. It's got like a great fruitiness to it. A lime. What does it say? Does it say anything on there? Any description? No, it doesn't say any notes or anything, but I will put that on my blog. It does smell like grapefruit. It's really fresh, really nice. And I might be going out later, so I'll be putting that on. I'm really loving lemony, grapefruity kind of smells at the moment. And it's super cute, travel friendly. You could just get 5 perfume samples if you wanted to try out. You say you're in the market for a new perfume, and then use your $3.95 back on a perfume, which is basically free delivery. I know that Feel Unique do. If you buy it full size and it comes with a little sample. If you don't like the perfume, you can send the full size item back, which is really good. And the last item, last but not least, is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Body Buff. So this is a body scrub and it's 15 ml. I can't speak. 15 ml, and it says use a scrub on wet skin, apply as a body mask on dry skin. Wait 10 minutes before rinsing off. And this is really cute. I thought this was really good for. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. Although it is quite naughty because it's only there. That's how much product's in that, and air. The rest is air, so it's only there, half full, and it's sealed. But it is a good sample. It's a generous sample actually. I would say you get one go out of this. But what I've been using scrubs for, let's see. It says on here, smoothing scrubber mask for Touch Me Now Brazilian Babe Skin. I don't think I'm going to get Brazilian Babe Skin, but we can give it a go, can't we? But I've actually been using scrubs underneath my underarms before I shave, and it actually takes down the irritation, and I find I'm getting a smoother shave. But I epilate everywhere else. I did try to epilate my armpits, never again. I would never do that again. But really good. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed, and I've got lots already open. And I will find it a description. It does smell nice. I don't know why I'm smelling the packaging, but it does actually smell really nice. So that literally is all my 5 samples. It's a bit of a hit and miss. It's things that I need because I'm looking for a new serum. I'm looking for a new leave-in conditioner. Benefit thing intrigued me because I am looking to not wear so much makeup. So that's literally all my samples for the month. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit me up on social media. I'll leave everything down below, including my blog, which is where I go more in depth about, for example, the notes of the fragrances and things. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.